Okay, now to filter out specific protocols. So for example, I don't want to capture the DNS or the ARP or whatever. So how to do such a thing? I will use the shift 1, which is this exclamation mark, so which means not, and open the brackets and open or type inside it DNS, or you can choose or shift \\\, ARP for example, and press enter. And you can see that this will not work. So I think, or not DNS like that. So you can see, yeah. So if I type like that, DNS or ARP, okay, it must be a small letter because this is a case sensitive, by the way. So shift 1 exclamation mark, open the brackets. So either DNS or ARP, don't display them. So how did I know it is working or not? You can just curl to HTTP, and here you can see that it will start capturing all of the protocols. You can see TCP, SSDP, HTTP, or whatever, but DNS is not here. Now, how to know that is DNS here, by the way, or is DNS being captured from the first place? Just remove it, and you can see that, yeah, it is captured. So remove it like that, press enter, yeah, DNS is here, okay? So if I type not DNS or ARP, DNS is not here. So we filtered out the DNS and ARP. So this or inside it, so which means either DNS or ARP. You can put AND here, okay? So DNS and ARP are here, not, so you can see that it will start capturing, okay? So ARP is here and DNS is here. So you must type it as or. So either DNS or ARP, don't, because this is shift 1 or exclamation mark, not, don't show them here.